Welcome to Choice Champions. The best Leba III Dental Spray is probably one of the most effective and convenient ways to maintain your dog's oral hygiene. In this video, we're diving deep into this innovative product, exploring its benefits, and showing you how it can help combat bad breath, reduce plaque and tartar buildup, and promote healthier gums for your furry friend. Let's find out if this dental spray lives up to the hype. Number 5. PetSilver Teeth and Gum Spray, Dog and Cat. Introducing PetSilver Teeth and Gum Spray, a simple solution for your pet's bad breath. This spray offers a convenient way to improve their oral health, freshening breath and supporting overall dental care. This dental spray is formulated with patented chelated silver. It helps combat bacteria and supports gum health. This modern chelated version is easy to use, providing a gentle, natural approach to maintaining oral care. Simplify your pet's dental routine with this spray. Just a few sprays into their mouth will freshen their breath and clean their teeth. It's a quick and effective way to incorporate dental care into their daily routine. The chelated silver in this formula is designed for optimal particle size and even distribution. It helps reduce plaque and tartar buildup on their teeth and gums. It's an alternative to colloidal silver. This dog teeth spray is FDA registered and proudly made in the USA. Crafted with care, it's an ideal choice for those looking to enhance their pet's oral care routine with a trusted, high-quality product. What we like. This product features a unique chelated silver formula, designed for optimal distribution in your pet's mouth. It's incredibly easy to use, just a quick spray. If you're looking for a natural, convenient way to freshen your dog's breath and support their oral health, this is a great choice. What people say. Leba III Dental Spray for Dog is a great product. It has helped keep my dog's teeth clean. It has also helped with bad breath. Number 4. Vet's Best Dental Kit, Toothpaste and Toothbrush. This kit is designed to keep your dog's teeth and gums in top condition. The toothpaste is formulated with natural ingredients to promote fresh breath and a healthy mouth. This kit makes dental care simple. It gently removes plaque and tartar, and it freshens your dog's breath. Give your dog a healthier mouth with this easy-to-use kit. The triple-sided toothbrush cleans all sides of your dog's teeth at once. This makes brushing faster and more effective, even reaching those hard-to-reach back teeth. The toothpaste has natural flavors that dogs enjoy. This makes brushing a more pleasant experience, even for picky pups, ensuring fresh breath without any hassle. Regular teeth cleaning supports your pet's overall health. Use this kit between vet visits to maintain oral hygiene, reduce plaque and tartar, and keep their mouth fresh and healthy. What we like. This kit provides everything you need for a thorough clean, including a triple-head toothbrush. The natural flavors make brushing a more enjoyable experience for your dog. If you have a dog that dislikes traditional brushing, this kit's design and flavors will make the process easier and more pleasant. What people say. The toothpaste is veterinarian formulated with natural ingredients like aloe, grapefruit seed extract, baking soda, and enzymes that help gently clean away plaque and tartar while freshening breath. The included toothbrush has triple-headed bristles that make it easier to clean multiple sides of the teeth at once, which helps make brushing faster and more thorough. The toothbrush has bristles on 3 sides so you can get perfect coverage with each stroke. Number 3. PetLab Company. Dental formula for cats and dogs. Keep your dog's teeth clean and healthy. This easy-to-use dental water additive actively targets tartar buildup. It's a simple way to maintain their oral hygiene. Enjoy kiss-friendly breath every day. This effortless new daily routine is something you and your pup will love. It's the simplest dog breath freshener you'll ever use. Just like humans, our pups need daily dental care. This supports their overall health and well-being. This tasteless dental formula takes just seconds a day to use. Dog dental care has never been easier. No dog toothpaste or toothbrush is needed. This product simplifies your pet's oral hygiene routine. With consistent use, this product can help ensure your dog's immediate and long-term well-being. Join our family of over 4 million dogs today. Give your dog a happy, healthy life. What we like. This dental formula is a simple water additive that targets tartar buildup. It requires no brushing, making it incredibly easy to incorporate into your daily routine. If you're looking for the simplest way to maintain your dog's oral hygiene, this product is perfect for you. What people say. Leba III Dental Spray for dog is a great product. It has helped with my dog's bad breath. I have been using it for a while and it works well. Number 2. PetSilver Kids Dog Dental Spray, 8 ounces. Is your pet's breath less than fresh? This premium spray is designed to eliminate bad breath. It provides long-lasting freshness and supports your pet's oral health. This product is formulated with natural ingredients like baking soda and peppermint. It effectively removes plaque, fights tartar, and strengthens gums. It works without brushing. Using this product is simple. You can spray it directly into your pet's mouth or add it to their water. It works continuously to maintain fresh breath all day. This dental spray is trusted by veterinarians. It's a safe and effective alternative to other dental products. It's gentle yet powerful and safe for all pets. This product is made with natural ingredients in the USA. It's manufactured under strict quality standards to ensure your pet's safety. You can trust it for your pet's well-being. What we like. This product is a vet-approved formula that effectively fights tartar and plaque. It's made with natural ingredients and proudly manufactured in the USA. If you like a trusted, high-quality product to support your pet's oral health, you should consider this. What people say. The dogs like it, and the huge upside is that it softens the hard tartar and it flakes off without anesthesia and a long dental at the vet. The premium pet dental spray after 4 weeks is working well. Both of our dogs love to have it sprayed on their teeth. Number 1. VetriScience Dental Care Powder for Dogs and Cats. Introducing VetriScience Dental Care Powder, a clinically tested supplement for your pets. It is designed to support clean teeth and fresh breath. This product is suitable for dogs and cats of all sizes and breeds. This veterinarian-formulated powder is clinically tested to reduce plaque and tartar. In just 28 days, it can reduce plaque and tartar by up to 20%. It is a great way to improve your pet's oral health. Say goodbye to bad breath with this easy-to-use powder. It contains probiotics that help manage odors from the inside out. Simply sprinkle it over your pet's meal. This flavorless powder is easy to use as a meal topper. It works well with dry food, canned food, homemade, or raw food. It's easy to disguise for picky eaters. VetriScience uses high-quality ingredients in this supplement. The product is certified by the National Animal Supplement Council. It contains no hidden ingredients, artificial flavors, or synthetic colors. What we like. This dental powder is clinically tested to reduce plaque and tartar. It's designed as a meal topper, making it easy to administer. If you have a picky eater or want a simple way to improve your dog's breath and dental health, it's a great choice. What people say. Leba III Dental Spray for Dog is a great product. It has helped keep my dog's teeth clean. I have been using this product for years and it works great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.